स्टूडेंट्स गुड मॉर्निंग। स्टैंडर्ड 6 सब्जेक्ट जनरल इंग्लिश। लास्ट वीडियो हमने असाइनमेंट 2 किया था, काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल्स, राइट। टुडे आज हम चैप्टर 20 करने वाले हैं, द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। ओके, दिस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब एक्शन which stand completed before a certain moment in the past. Example, when I reached the school the bell had gone. had gone है वो हमें past perfect tense दिखा रहा है। जैसे कि नीचे देखो, had gone is in the past perfect tense. This tense is formed by using the past tense of have and plus past participle of the main verb. The form of the past perfect tense remains unchanged for all the persons and both the numbers. Example, had gone, she had gone and they had gone. Okay, person change हुए, she had gone, they had gone and only had gone. When we have to refer to events in the past, the past perfect tense is used to refer to the earlier event. The other event is put in the simple past tense. Example, when I reached the station, the train had left. Here the train left the first and I reached the station afterward. The words after and before are often used to make the order of events clear. Examples, the bus left after he had arrived. He had arrived before the bus left. Fill in the blanks with the past perfect tense from the verb given in the brackets. First है my father blank his office when I reached there. ब्रैकेट में दिया leave और आंसर आएगा had left. The robbers blank before the police arrived. ब्लैंक में दिया flee, आंसर आएगा had fled. मदर ब्लैंक फूड बिफोर वी रीच होम कुक, आंसर आएगा had cooked. द चिल्ड्रन ब्लैंक द स्टेज बिफोर द गेस्ट अराइव. डेकोरेट, आंसर आएगा had decorated. द चीफ गेस्ट ब्लैंक बिफोर इट वॉज 8 o'clock अराइव, had arrived. The patients blank before the doctor come died, had died. My friend arrived after we blank but lunch had finished. The watchman blank the gate before we returned from the movies. Close, had closed. After the children blanked the loudspeaker, the headmaster spoke, had fixed. After the father blank heard the money, my mother left for the market to do the shopping. Give, had given. She wanted to know what blank to her purse happened में had happened. Somehow I felt that I blanked the man before meet में had meet. The fire blanked the house before the fireman reached the scene. तो क्या होगा? Had destroyed it. I blanked not blank him before. I had not meet. She blanked England once before. Visit का होगा had visited. Okay, clear? Now next, assignment 25, the same word as different parts of speech. देखो, वर्ड सेम है बट उनके सेंटेंस में वो अलग अलग मीनिंग प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. सो देखते हैं. To find out what part of speech a given word is, we should observe its functions in the sentence it is using. Observe the following sentences. So first, I work in a factory. So work देयर इज नो वर्क फॉर यू इन द फैक्ट्री. देखो, आई वर्क इन अ फैक्ट्री एंड देयर इज नो वर्क फॉर यू. दोनों अलग वर्ड सेम है वर्क, लेकिन सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. द अंडरलाइन वर्ड वर्क इन सेंटेंस एंड इज अ वर्ब वाइल इट इज अ नाउन इन द सेंटेंस टू. देखो, फर्स्ट में वर्ब और सेकंड में नाउन की बात हो रही है दोनों में. इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस द सेम वर्ड इज यूज आइदर एज अ नाउन और वर्ब. If it is used as noun, circle it, and if it is used as a verb, underline it. The first one is done for you. We must watch his carefully, and will you keep a close watch today? देखो, we must watch him carefully, and will you keep a close watch today? दोनों में watch है, लेकिन sentence का meaning अलग है. Do you need my help? क्या तुम्हें मेरी हेल्प की जरूरत है? नो, देयर इज नो नीड फॉर हिज नाउ. नहीं. द वाटर वॉन्ट लीक नाउ बिकॉज द लीक इज रिपेयर. देखो, ही बिगेट फॉर पार्डन बट आई डिडंट पार्डन हिम. पार्डन का मतलब होता है माफी मांगना. आई डोंट केयर फॉर दोज हु डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ देयर स्टडीज. देखो, डोंट केयर. What is his pay? I shall pay him tomorrow. Book a ticket in luxury bus so that I can read my book in peace. You should use lubricating oil when you oil your shaving machine. दोनों ऑयल देखो. Children fear to go in darkness because there is a fear of ghost in their minds. He travels much and during his travels he reads a lot of books. देखो, much भी ज्यादा होता है, lot भी ज्यादा होता है. Take this water and water all the plants in the garden. I usually sleep well, but last night I could not get any sleep at all. He needs urgent rest. Let him rest for some time. They always mistake me for my brother. I am amused at their mistake. He could bag many prizes. He took them home in his bag. Where will you plant that rose plant? I show a nice show in the workshop. Why do you blame me for it? I don't deserve the blame. We must brush our teeth with a good brush. He will visit our school next week and we look forward to his visit. समझ में आ रहा है? देखो, the same word has different parts of speech. वर्ड्स दोनों सेम है, बट फर्स्ट वाला है जो वर्ब हमें बताता है, सेकंड वाला है जो नाउन हमें एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है. बराबर है, वर्ड अलग अलग है लेकिन डिफरेंट प्लेस पे यूज हो रहे हैं. नाउन में यूज होता है, वर्ब में यूज होता है. फर्स्ट में बताया था वी मस्ट वॉच हिम केयरफुली and you keep a close watch today, right? समझ में? Let's you see. अंडरलाइन करनी है आपको जो सेम वर्ड है उसके नीचे. क्लियर? तो आज हमने 2 असाइनमेंट्स कर दिए. लास्ट वीडियो मैंने कहा था आपने अगर जनरल इंग्लिश की नोटबुक बनाई हो तो उसमें दोनों फिलअप करने हैं, और नहीं बनाई हो तो होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है. ओके? द सेम वर्ड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच एंड द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, दोनों के दोनों. क्लियर ना? ओके.